one of the most exciting days of the whole renovation. We have got our new bench tops. What I want to do this time though in the kitchen is again just mix it up a bit and do something a bit different. I have never had a house that has concrete, and Caesarstone do a concrete look, which is utterly stunning.
Gee, it's amazing, isn't it?
Just something a bit darker than what I'm used to. It's the kitchen that we're going to go the Caesarstone. Yeah. It's beautiful. So I'm thinking for the splashback.
That's perfect.
Perfect. Tones, the colours are right. So this is the start of the kitchen. I mean, it's hard to imagine. We've still got appliances, taps, door handles to go in. Brass seems really obvious, but there are that many different tones of brass. If you're going to go brushed brass for some things, make sure you stay consistent throughout the whole home. I'd used Sussex Tapware in our previous home. It was just a no-brainer because I know how functional they are, as well as looking super hot. So Vanessa, I hear that you actually customise taps.
We do, yes, we manufacture here, right here in Melbourne's north.
You melt down, don't you, and remake?
We do.
I would love to match the tapware throughout for consistency. So maybe if we do something beautiful and gold in the laundry and then something, a bit of a wow factor in the kitchen.
We even do paint finishes customised to whatever it is that you need to match a vanity or...
Oh, you've got to be joking me.
No.
Is there any way we could incorporate some blush or grey paint?
Yes, we could. We do. We've got some samples here. Would you like to have a look?
Yes, I do. Kristy and I are obsessed with a colour called Mornington Half. I'm just imagining if we sort of tie that in and do something that I guess is a little bit bespoke in the bathroom.
We can definitely help you out with that.
So, cheers to that. Honestly, having heart palpitations and could not be happier with what we've got. We went with the Cloudburst Concrete, which is one of their new products. At the last minute when I stressed out that I thought this kitchen was too dark. One of the things that I'm most happy with is how the colour of this Caesarstone contrasts with the brass sink that we've put in from Abbey Interiors. I'm just imagining our beautiful brass tapware and I can actually start to see what the kitchen's going to look like now. Because I'm the most impatient person in the world, which you might know by now, I literally had to unpack the SMEG cooktop because I had to see what it looked like on the bench top. Builders are probably going to kill me, but hey, I think it looks pretty good. The other area though that we need to choose some stone is for the laundry. Why don't we float some Caesarstone?
Maybe the marvellous, the stone. Is it
I would love that. Here? Yeah. We ended up changing the bench top as well in this space, and we went the Cloudburst Concrete again. Had to follow the brass through the house, so we've gone a brass undermount sink from Abbey Interiors again in this space. Dare I say it, one of my favourite appliances is the SMEG dryer that we bought.
Really?
Oh yes, it's got a fancy anti-crease. It recognises when the clothes are dry. Is it a little bit obvious that I'd had the same dryer for 15 years before now?
Beautiful.
Oh,
there's your baby.
Isn't it gorgeous?
It is.
I might leave Dan for this one. It's a relatively compact kitchen, but it works really well.
And thinking back to the old one, that was so closed off. In size-wise, not that much different to what you've got in
just
the
knocking the wall out and I can see the kids.
Exactly.
People think I go on the fly and perhaps I give that illusion, but I'm very detailed in my own head. So we've got brass tapware through to brass hinges on the doors.